So here's how to create a branded Shopify dropshipping store. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that helps users build and grow their businesses by selling products online and in person. So first of all, let's go ahead and check out their pricing. And once you're in the pricing section and you scroll down, you will get to see all the available plans they have to offer. So go through them to see which one fits your needs. You should also keep in mind that Shopify offers a free trial for you to try out Shopify and their services. So click on Start Free Trial on the top right corner. After that, you will be redirected to this page right here. I will click on Sign Up with Google. Then on the next page, you need to select your Google account that you want to use. Now, just click on Continue. After that, wait for it to load up. It might take a few seconds for you to get redirected to the next page. Once you're on the next page, it says where would you like to sell. So select the appropriate option such as an online store. Then click Next. Then you will see which best describes you. So select the appropriate option from here as well. Then click on Next. And on the next section, select your business size. After that, if you're currently selling on other platforms, select them. Here, you can see multiple options that you can choose from, so scroll through and select whichever one that you want. And if you're not selling on other platforms, you can select No, I'm not using any platform. But for this video, I will select Amazon. After that, what do you plan to sell? You can select one or more types of product or services from here. Then click on Get Started. On the next page, it says which plan do you want to try. So select whichever one that you want or skip this for now. And once you're in the dashboard, you can go over and click on Select a Plan on the top. After that, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, the pricings for most of the plans are the same, unlike we've seen before. And right below the plans, you will get to see what every plan gets you. So for now, let's go back to the dashboard. And keep in mind the $1 pricing is for your first month only. Now from the left panel, click on Online Store. Then go over to Themes. You can see some more options right under Themes. So here on the Theme section, you can see that we already have a default theme. But if you want to customize it, you can scroll down further on this page. And you will get to see all the popular free themes. So go through the options and select whichever one that you like the most. Then click on Try Theme. After that, your selected template will load up. And as you can see, we now have the template ready to customize. Here, if you scroll through the page, you'll be able to see and select each and every element of the template. So scroll through the page and check it out. Now, let's go over to the top and select the My Store text. After selecting the text, if you look over to the right side, you will get to see this panel from where you can customize the text however you like. And if you look over to the left panel, you will get to see different sections of the template. Now, let's go ahead and select this section. And on the right side, click on Select Beside Image. This is where you can see all your available images that you can use. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific image. Then click on Upload Image and look for any image that you want to upload from your desktop. Then select the image and click on Open. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. Then just click on Done. And the image here will be replaced by the one you uploaded. Now, let's go ahead and select the text beside the image. After selecting, you will get to see this section on the right panel. And as you can see, it shows the same text that's on the template. You can select the entire text on the right panel and type in whatever you want to replace the previous text, and it will be added onto your template in real time. This way, you can customize any text on the template. So for now, I just typed in all latest products, and on the right panel, you will get to see some additional options like bold, italic, etc. You just need to select the entire text and select bold. Same way, if you select italic, the text will be converted. You can also change the heading size if you want. You can also use this generate heading feature. Just type in a prompt and click on generate. And here, you can click on insert link and attach a link associated with the text. Similarly, let's go ahead and click on the Shop Now button. And as you can see here, you can change the text of this section as well. To show you guys, I'll replace the text with Buy Now, but you can write whatever that fits your style. Then on the button link, you can select different categories based on your needs. Now if you scroll down further, this is the featured products or featured collection section. And here, you can see example product title and their pricing sections. But since we didn't choose a plan, we're not able to fully customize this section. But you still have a lot of tools and features on the right panel that you can utilize, such as description style. You can select the description style as well as change the text just like we did before. You can also adjust the heading size according to your preference, and as you can see, it is being changed in real time. Then you can add a description for this section. Then you can set the maximum products to show by moving the slider from left to right. Then you have options like number of columns on desktop, view all style, color scheme, and then the product cart section. So for example, let's go over to view all style and select outline button. Then if you go over to the template, you will get to see this change being reflected on the template. This way, go through all the options and set them up according to your preference and make your website stand out. Now, let's scroll down further and check out the next sections. This right here is the subscribe to our email section. This is where your potential customers can put in their email addresses. So you can customize this section to make it more appealing. Now, let's go ahead and scroll up to the top. Here on the top, if you go over to the My Store section that we edited at first, you will see sections like Home, Catalog, and Contact. Let's click on Catalog. This is the page where all your products will be right under the product section. You can add products here or click on Remove All to remove all your products. And if you go over to Contact, this is the section that the users can use in order to get in touch with you. They can put in their details like name, phone number, and the comment that they want to make, and then click on Submit to send it over to you. Once you're done, you can click on Save on the top right or click on Publish if you want to publish it right away. But if you want to keep it as a draft, just click on Save and it will be saved onto your Shopify account for future edits. And once you're finished with setting up your store, just click on Publish and your Shopify Dropshipping store will be live. And that is exactly how to create a branded Shopify Dropshipping store.